PassionArt craft resin, A and B again, 1:1 ratio by volume. Nori is mixing 500 mils, 250 mils A, 250 mils B. B pattern first, always. Makes it look really nice. And still got a little bit of streaks, you see that? It's working very hard, need 4 to 5 minutes. So pour choosing yellow and peach red. The peach red is a little bit pinky, that's what he wants. And we're doing a 3D bloom in the hat. So 500 ml should be like around half. And then we're using our special PassionArt blooms. And shortly all these things, the alcohol ink and the bloom should be on the website soon. Now it's 33.6, it's time to decant. You just pour it all right in.
Oh.
Yep. And now Nori is going to touch a little bit of bubbles. Make sure, just gently, not too close to the mold. Otherwise you melt the mold. All good, Nori? Any more bubbles?
Yes.
It's all good? A few more. I spot a fluff. Jenny, don't like fluff. Let me do a little bit. See, now because it's a hard mold, they have bubbles stick around the mold. Jenny uses a skewer to go around the mold slowly. Not right to the bottom of the mold. See that, Lauren? Come on, yeah. Push off behind that. Yeah. Good. How would you like to do it? You want to try yourself or you know? Okay, I'll do it then.
Yeah.
Bit more like it. Bit more like it. You want to do the piping?
No.
Okay. I think that Nori wants me to do the piping. So As a hat shape, I think I follow the hat shape. What do you guys think? Oops. No. Thank you, Nori. Now I'll touch a little bit more. Hopefully it looks nicely to me, eh? What do you think, Nori?
Yeah, very nice.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Here you go, guys. Wait for you. See you guys soon, and then I put the backing. You like it? Yeah, cool. See you guys soon. Thank you. Today's our color gonna be color passion black, and I am going to put a bit of mixed white sparkles in it. Nori was stirring up my resin for me again. He's a very, very good helper. As my arm is just healing at the moment, I'm very appreciative for his help. Always do our paste. Let's see how that goes. Plenty. Henny always like shimmer, so I have to please myself too. Oh, look at this. You guys love it? I love it. Put more in. Ha. Merry Christmas! So beautiful. If you guys think it's enough, I don't mind to put another scoop in. Okay, here we go. Sprinkles. I love my sparkly. Oh, see how sparkly it is? I'll take off my gloves and our torch. Thank you, Nori. Get off the mess. Make sure you just not touch too close to the mold. So guys, I will see you guys tomorrow in the mold.